seems to be a lot of confusion out there. I'm trying to clear the air. I want to make it clear. If you want to come rafting with me on weekends, you need to request me on the 11 o'clock full river trip. Certainly request me on a full river trip. The 11 o'clock's the best. If you request me for a middle trip, it is unlikely that I will be able to accommodate you on the weekend. I am one of the few guides that can run class 4. There's a shortage across the whole river. So you've been warned. Request me for full river on the weekends. Middle rivers during the week, Monday, Thursday, and Friday. I am not scamming you. This is the truth. Looking good. Okay, relax. Get down. Okay, lean right, lean right.
Right. We're sitting in the water.
Okay, right side only. Get up on the outer two.
Outer two.
All right, give me all forward on the right only. Left side, don't do anything.
Forward, right. Go.
And relax. Good job, team.
Yeah.
Okay, give me 3 forward on the right side only.
How many 3 forward?
Keep going. Give me 2 more.
Go, go, go.
And relax.
Relax.
Everybody, all back.
All back, all back. All close. Go. All back.
And relax. Good job, team. That's what teamwork will do.
Woo.
Give me one.
One.
Give me one more.
One more.
Give me 2 more like that.
Ready, Bob?
One on the right.
One on the right.
Give me 2. Get down. Yeah, we're looking good. That's where I like to be. Give me 1. Okay, relax. We want to stay together. That was a weird turn we didn't anticipate. Give me 1. Okay, kind of a good drop. Don't panic. Stay in the boat. Give me 2, team. Stay together. Give me 2 more. Relax a minute. Give me 2 now. Give me 2 more. Okay, I see what's going wrong. I can fix this. Give me 1 more. Ready, set, give me 2. And relax. Give me 2 more, team. That was welcome ledge. Coming up next is going to be Smiley Face. Got a little bit of a gray line there. Give me 2 now. And 2 more. Give me 2. Slam deck is ahead. It's a little ways up. And 2 more. And 2. Give me 2 more. Make sure y'all are warmed up before the grand event happens. Give me 2 now. Callahan's is dead ahead. Give me 2. All right, 3. Give me 3. Give me 3 more, team. Give me 3 now. We're looking good. Give me 3 more, team. Give me 3 now. 3 more.
3 more. Go. Go.
Give me 3.
3.
Give me 3 now. Stay together. Give me 2. I'm good. I like to have my stick in the water. I feel safer that way. Get ready. Get set. Give me 2 more. Big hit, Fred. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. We got a little greedy too. Give me 2 more. We haven't missed a big. Here's a big hit here. Whoa. We're going backwards. Get down. It's not dropping that sideways. I know what happened. Good job, team. That's kind of a rowdy ride. Kids, it's the rat wash. That we try to keep our rats shiny and clean, but this one's gray and old like me. It's that we make sure you can eat lunch also. If you're all hot and sweaty, you can't eat well.
I think it feels good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Brady, I saw that one. You don't have it.
Oh yeah, Ocoee Adventure Center. This is where you come if you want to play. What do y'all think about the raft wash?
It's really good. I like it. It's just much better. I'm getting in there. I'm waiting for it. Oh, that one. I love being on the right side.
Oh, be careful what you wish for.
I know. No, that doesn't be an awful time.
That wasn't taking
Excuse me. Lay on my back.
If you lay back far enough, that Superman flap turns into a lounge chair. It feels like you're like hanging out at the pool or something.
Come on, Toby.
Oh, I'm not trying to run you over.
Come on, Toby.
Oh no!
You never want to survive the train.
Smile, you're getting your picture taken from downstream. Get your hands on the T-grips, you're making the guys nervous. Give me 2.
Relax, grab him.
Catch him, Kobe.
Pull him back in. Pull him back in.
Pull him back in. Hey, Brady, get a hand on him.
Give you a stick. Grab him and fall backwards in. There you go.
Come on.
No harm done. How are you?
Good.
Okay, listen up. Give me one. We gotta spin off this rock.
You ready?
Give me one. One more, T. Two more, go. Give me one. Give me one more. Good job, team. I knew we were going to hit that rock, but I knew it's under his back and around. One more, team. This is why I call second helping.
Oh! Woo! I like it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Go! Go! Keep going!
Get down.
Down! Oh yeah, guys! You still step. Woo! Oh! Oh, God! Woo! Oh yeah!
Hop up. All right, give me three, team. Oh yeah, baby, that looks good. Oh no, it's guide ejector. Don't fly, Brad.
I was in the middle for a little bit. I think I broke my kneecap. I was kind of sitting here.
Oh no. Yeah, guide ejector probably popped you in there too. Give me one, team.
I do remember all that. Somebody was I have to read that.
Big bump, don't fall out.
Oh! Oh, God. Oh!
It's gonna be fine if we're not sideways. Oh no!
Oh, hi, guys. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah. Woo! Oh, yeah! Keep going.
Yeah, why not? I'll tell you when to
Keep
stop.
going. Oh, keep going! Ben!
Okay, brace yourself, stop.
Wait.
Backwards two, dig them quick. You're gonna hit a rock on the right
Woo!
or left. I don't know. Give me two.
Go! We're gonna hit a rock.
Give me three, team. Don't worry, kayakers will move.
Hey, there's the spillway.
If they don't, we'll scoop them up. Give him 3 more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no, we're going sideways into hellhole. Oh my God. Oh, and there's our friends.
This channel is possible because of the supporters you're now seeing. Cut, let's try again. This channel was made possible by the wonderful super fans. These are their names. These are the people supporting this channel and its associated adventures during the not winter of 2022-2023. So if you want to join the list and make this happen, look at the URL. Come rafting with me. Those of you that make substantial donations, such as Ben Franklin's or Tecumseh Grants, will be listed right here. I really do appreciate you, and I appreciate you other viewers too, and Google Ads, because that buys the cameras and the other electronics necessary to make this channel happen. Love you much. Peace out till next time.